Are you sick of continuing to work from 9 to 5 every day? Are you ready to take charge of your future finances? Stop looking, because AI technology is the future of making money now. I'll show you the best way to make money with ChatGPT in 2023 in this video. Prepare to say goodbye to tedious work and hello to financial independence. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get future updates. OpenAI made ChatGPT, a big language model that's been trained with a lot of text data. This AI model can make texts that sounds like it was written by a person, answer questions, finish sentences, and do a lot more. And what's best, it can help you make money. You may be wondering how you can make money with ChatGPT. Well, here are a few ways to start making money with this amazing AI technology. Number 1. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to make blog posts, social media posts, product descriptions, and a lot more. This will save you time and effort when making content and give you more time to work on other important tasks. You can sell the content you create to clients who need high-quality writing done quickly and well. Number 2. Chatbots. You can use ChatGPT to make and sell chatbots. These chatbots can be used in customer services, sales, and other fields to do certain tasks automatically and help customers around the clock. You can make chatbots for specific industries like e-commerce, healthcare, or finance, and sell them to companies that want to improve their customers' experience. Number 3. Data annotation. You can classify and add notes to a lot of data for machine learning models with ChatGPT. This is a very popular job, and businesses are always looking for people to help with it. You can get paid for your work annotating data for companies that want to train their AI models. And that's it. It's been never easier to make money with ChatGPT. With its advanced AI and limitless potential, there are always ways to make money. So why don't you just do it? Start today, take charge of your future finances. I hope this video tried to teach you something and helped you. Watch our other videos on this channel if you want to learn more about AI and how to make money with it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and keep learning and make money until next time.